Can we fear the future? That's my question to AI. Yes, it's natural to fear the future. The unknown can be a source of anxiety for many people. This fear often stems from uncertainty about what might happen, potential challenges, or the possibility of negative outcomes. It's a normal human response to protect ourselves and prepare for potential threats. However, excessive fear can be detrimental to our well-being. It can lead to stress, anxiety, and even depression. To manage the feelings, it's important to first acknowledge your fear. Recognizing and accepting your fears is the first step in addressing them. Second, focus on the present. Instead of dwelling on potential negative outcomes, focus on the present moment and the things you can control. Third, develop coping mechanisms. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga to help manage stress and anxiety. Fourth, seek support. Talk to friends, family, or mental health professional about your fears. Sometimes sharing your feelings can provide relief and perspective. Remember, while it's natural to feel apprehensive about the future, it's important to find healthy ways to manage those feelings and strive for a positive outlook. What specific aspect of the future are you feeling anxious about? Is it related to personal goals, global events, or something else entirely? Feel free to share as much as little as you'd like. Sometimes simply expressing our worries can help lighten the emotional load. So, yun po yung tanong ko kay AI. My question is, can we fear the future? And AI answered yes. Pero may mga solution siyang mga sinabi o sinuggest. Yun nga ang mga importante na sa palagay na solution ay yung acknowledge your fears, focus on the present moment, develop coping mechanisms, seek support. Yun. Ang gaganda ng mga tinanong ko kay AI and I'm satisfied with the answers. I asked about the soul, about what is a fulfilled life, I also asked AI how AI handles misconduct and who manipulate the world. Hindi ko pa yun nasulat yung who manipulate the world. Pero, ang ganda ng mga sagot niya. I asked AI also if AI purpose is dependent on who programmed. It depends on the programmer also. I asked also about the garbage in, garbage out. So, the solution there is goodness in, goodness out. There are also, depends on how AI is designed. Pag kasi inisip naman natin napakahirap ng buhay. Pag natakot tayo sa future, matatakot talaga tayo. What we put in our mind we become.